How to get working coupon codes for Amazon in 2025. So in this video, I'm going to tell you all about that, how you can get best of the best coupon codes, vouchers for your Amazon shopping. For this, click on browser, and then in this side, I've opened Amazon. But on another tab, I have opened the best website you will get codes like. The website is Coupon Follow. You have to simply go on it and search for Amazon coupon codes, and you will get codes like that. 70% off on Amazon. Click on show coupon code to get a code like this. Copy it from this menu, and you can also directly redeem this code at Amazon India or any other country. So these are other coupons as well. 10% off with 80% off. Simply just copy the code from this and you can redeem it on the shopping page. This is how you can get it. You can also search for another website coupon codes from this menu from the same website, like coupon code. All types of coupon are available in this website. You can get directly on a website and just start shopping for yourself. This is how you can do it. Thank you so much for watching the video. Subscribe for watching more updates like this on your YouTube screen.